Hey there, in this tutorial I'll show you step by step on how to fix the Vanguard error VAN1067 in League of Legends and get back into the game without issues in 2026. Make sure to follow the instructions till the end. To do this, first we must go and access your BIOS. To access your BIOS, go to Windows and search Settings. Inside the Settings, go to System and scroll down until we see Recovery. In the Recovery, you can now hit Restart Now. Now that your device has been restarted, go to Troubleshoot, go to Advanced Options, and click UEFI Firmware Settings and restart. To enable the TPM 2.0, go to Settings, go to Miscellaneous, and go to Trusted Computing. In here, you would see a Security Device Support. Make sure to enable it, and after enabling it, save and exit. After enabling TPM 2.0, your League of Legends should now be able to open. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.